Millie and Nick, both discovering their superhuman abilities, meet in the picturesque town of Brighton. As their powers intertwine, they are drawn to one another, sharing a deep connection and falling in love amidst the backdrop of the charming coastal town. Millie and Nick's love for epic tales leads them to embark on a journey to New Zealand, the land of Middle-earth. In a homage to their favorite franchise, they immerse themselves in the world of Lord of the Rings. The couple's next destination is the vibrant city of Los Angeles, where dreams come true. In a whimsical twist, Millie and Nick find themselves caught up in the magical world of musicals. Guided by their love for song and dance, they navigate the vibrant streets of La La Land,